Ever wondered what baby birds are really like? Let's peek into the fascinating world of thrush nestlings. Some of the most well-known are robins, bluebirds, some blackbirds, and more. Thrush parents work tirelessly, bringing insects and berries to their hungry chicks. Did you know? Thrushes can eat their weight in food each day. Soon, they'll be ready to leave the nest. Fledglings hop around, learning to find food and avoid predators. If you love baby birds, type love in the comments and subscribe for more epic animal videos. Thanks for watching.